Assalamualaikum everyone. In the last lecture we talked about formulas in Exit 2013 and this is the remaining part of that video. And today we will start from the text formulas. What are the text formula? Text means your anything which is your string form. So if we have some string values in some cells and we want to join these values in another cell, and then the method we use is called concatenation, and we use concatenation from with the ampersand sign, means this and sign. If you are seen in the on your screen, and this is the ampersand sign. If we want to join column A and column B, in column C we will just select the column C and we will write is equals to. Is equals to means your formula is started from here. Is equals to A1 means column A, row number 1, which is respect, and with double quotation mark we add and sign, ampersand sign, and then B1, like that. But how we write number 1 in column number 1, we write column number 2 also. Then press enter. We have shown both column A and column B are joined in column C, which is respect elder. Our next topic is mathematical operators used in formula. What type of operators are? In this table you have shown some operations, some operators, some order of evaluation, then some formulas and the result. This is the example actually. We have the operations, exponent, and the operator for exponent is this, and its evaluation is number 1. Means if in any formula the exponent is present and some division and multiplication is also present, but we have to solve firstly exponent because its order of evaluation is number 1. We have to solve exponent at first, and then multiplication, the sign is this one, then division, addition, and the subtraction. The and order of evaluation is like that. Multiplication and division has order of evaluation number 2. Okay, means they have the same equality. They are the same. They have equality. So if they have both in any operation in any formula, then when we will move towards from the left to right, we will solve it as what first come. If multiplication come first, we will solve it. If division come first, we will solve it. So like that, the addition and subtraction have equality. They are equal. Okay, just solve them from left to right, which first comes. So firstly we will solve exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. This is evaluation that any operation contain brackets, we will carry it out first. Okay, brackets are always first, then move towards the exponent, then division and multiplication because they are equal importance, they are equal. Then moving towards that addition and subtraction. If some formulas give error while evaluating or values or answer, it means your error is in your formula. In formula there are some values which are not correctly written or any operator which is not correctly written. So it doesn't mean that you have write some values wrong, but it means that your formulas have some mistakes. So while you will write your formula, concentrate on your formula, that the formula should be correct. Otherwise your answer will be not correct or it will give you an error. In this table there are some errors examples. Okay, when you see number 1, which is hash, this type of sign, it means that the column length width is not or too much. it's in small size, that our value is not displayed whole. Okay. Then number 2, this means you have some invalid operation. Invalid operation means division by 0. Something is divided by 0, which is invalid operation. Then hash NA, which means you have the value given is not available. Some values are wrong. Hash num, this it means the problem is with your value. It means you are expecting some positive values and answer is given is in negative. So concentrate on your values. Then REF, it means you from your reference, the formula refers to the cell that doesn't exist, the cell which is not in your worksheet that you are selecting. Hash value means the error from your the formula has an invalid argument. Text in the cell where numeric value is required. Okay, means if you are writing some text in the cell but there should be some values, like you are operating some addition formula, you are writing addition formula, so in addition formula there must be the values, but you are writing some string values, so there will be this type of operation, this type of error will come. AutoSum features means it automatically added or automatically operate your operations like average, maximum, minimum, and there are a lot of operations in the AutoSum operation. In the AutoSum feature, automatically adds the numbers in the selected cell. You can also use it in the average, minimum, maximum, subtraction, and many others. And this AutoSum operation, this AutoSum button is also present in your ribbon. So in editing group, on the home tab, that is the AutoSum. And also in the function library, there is on the formula tab, there is also AutoSum. Calculating totals with the AutoSum, if we have some values and we don't want to write the formula, we just select the cells, not select the cells, we will move towards the AutoSum. When we click on the AutoSum on editing, there will be it's shown some value, some more operations, some average, and which operation you want, you just select it. Then the answer will be shown on your required cell. And you can also drag that formula to the required cell, the cell where you want the last value, so it will be copied by their cell references. And other some functions are average, count numbers, maximum, and minimum. And there are a lot of more functions which are used on AutoSum, and you also create some different functions and different formulas. And then talk about the functions library. Function library means they have predefined functions. Functions in the axis are predefined formulas that perform specific calculation. In the formula tab, when we click on the formula tab, there are a lot of functions. There is the function library. Okay, function library. In the function library, there are a lot of functions you can perform. And the function which you want, just click your required function. It will, okay, let's learn two functions in the math and tricks category. If you see, there are in the formulas, there are AutoSum, recently used, financial, logical, text, date and time, lookup references, and math and trick, trigonometry. And then more functions. In the more functions, we can create some functions also by ourselves. Okay. Then we talk about math and trick. A category, they have greatest common divisor and least common divisor, multiple. These two functions are also included in this tab. Greatest common divisor if we want to find the greatest common divisors of the two or more integers, means which is also a highest common factor, the steps are, firstly we will select the cells to whom we want the greatest common divisor, means if we are selecting A1 and A2, then click on the click on the A3 because we want the answer on A3. When we select the A1 and A2, it has some values, must be some values, because if there are some alphabetic numbers, then you have invalid argument error. So write some values on the A1 and A2, then select the cell A3. Then go to the Math and Trig, select the GCD, means greatest common divisor, and in the drop down menu, and this type of option and dialog box appear, and you see that what is the answer, which is equals to 2. Click on the OK button. And your output will be produced. Like that, you have to find the LCM. Write 2 values or 3 values, whatever what you want. Just go and Math and Trig, drop down value, then select the LCM. When you find the LCM, this type of dialog will appear and your answer will be shown. Just click OK and your value will be shown on the required cell. You can creating the formula, as we talk about that we can create the formula using insert option. In the insert option, just insert function, or in the AutoSum, go to the more functions, then insert function. In the insert function, you have to find what type of function do you want. Like there we just select the category. Any type of formula you can create, any type of function you can create through these steps. This is all about formulas in Excel 2013. For the next video, take care and Allah Hafiz, and kindly watch my videos, like and share my videos. Thank you.